Most of you think I'm here to joke. I will be telling you this. Everybody is a prostitute. Being a woman or a man, as long as you have slept with the two people, you are a prostitute. You are blessed. Are you the one on your profile?
Yes.
Oh, you are welcome. Are you married?
Yes.
You are married?
Yes, with 3 kids.
With 3 kids and you are still with just one man?
The advice now that you give now, somebody have even collected that one from me.
Look at your front. How package it is, you are still with one man.
So what do you want me to do?
What I have, you need to have a man beside you again. That's called backup.
But that one is doing well, at least. He's trying.
How do you know he's trying when you don't try other men? You need to try somebody else to see which one is better. You think he's trying.
He's trying, and somebody now is dragging with me. He say, Pastor, he say they should collect anyone they see you. They should collect their friends.
I said your husband is not trying. If your husband is trying, this front will not be stabbed like this. It's not trying.
It's packaging, no, Pastor. Everything is packaging now.
What's packaging?
It's packaging just to look good now.
I said it's not trying.
When I come into Abuja,
look at it. Look at the front, it's still standing. You said your husband is trying. And you even have 4 kids.
So you to go and try another one?
Of course.
No, I don't do that. I'm a child of
You don't do that?
Yes.
It's left for you, okay? Have a wonderful day, you're blessed.
Thank you, Pastor.
Your husband is trying and the front is still standing like this. People who their husband is trying, this front can never stand like this. Even with 4 kids, it will never stand like this. Because the man knows how to use his tongues very well. Your husband is just there, don't know how to use tongue.
Pastor, but this one you're teaching, is this one good again?
If what I'm teaching is good.
This one you're saying now is you're making me to feel somehow now.
So you don't need the backup?
No, I don't think I need backup.
Oh, it's left to you. When that your husband starts giving you attitude, you will be looking for backup then.
But at least we have not reached that stage yet.
Oh.
When are you coming to Abuja?
Look at you. You want to reach that stage where before you look for backup. Instead of you to keep backup aside, so that when you get to that stage, you will not suffer for the backup. You say you have not reached to that. No problem. I don't know when I will be coming to Abuja. I'm still in France.
Oh, okay. We are missing you in Nigeria here. We have stayed in France for long now. Please come back and come to Abuja.
Okay, I will come. When I will come. Next tomorrow, I will be leaving France.
Okay.
Is that you on your profile?
Yes, that's me.
Oh, you are welcome. You have a good shape.
Thank you.
You are welcome. So why are you?
That advice, what you just said about me, I have friends that they are in a relationship, they are begging me weak. So, you know what I always tell them? I always give them a man's contact that if you want weak, take number, call the man is going to give you money.
That's what you are supposed to do. You see most of those guys, they don't have common sense.
They are wicked.
They are into hookup. They will be using their self to sustain a friends who are in a relationship. Tomorrow they will laugh at them.
That's what
when they're asking for money, even if it's 10 naira, you know you are doing for tomorrow they will asking for money, even if it's 10 naira, you know they're relationship. When they're asking for money, even if it's 10 naira, you know you are
situation. They're always insulting me. They are calling me Oloshu, prostitute, this one, that one. But I'm shining. I'm driving my car. I'm living in my house in a very comfortable house. And they're always insulting me. But they're always in front of my daughter every day. Please, so clothes, please, so money, borrow me this. But they don't want to join the hookup business. Meanwhile, it's sweet and it's giving big money.
Yes, don't give them. You see people giving them, they are the food. Those friends you are happy, they will laugh at you tomorrow that you are doing hookup. Don't give them. When they ask you for 5 naira, introduce them to the hookup. If they don't go, you leave them.
Exactly. So I thought maybe what I was doing was bad, but hearing from what, I just heard what you said, and it's giving me joy. I feel so happy because I thought maybe
What you are doing,
even
what you are doing is not
those
bad.
my friends that are married, even the married ones, are also begging.
Don't give them.
They are begging.
Don't give them.
Now,
When you are giving them, you will be the fool tomorrow because they are married. They are happy. Tomorrow they will laugh at you that's not married. So you better not to give them. If they are asking you for money, if they are married, introduce them to the prostitution. Give them their number. If you have any men,
and
give
their
them their number.
husbands are even asking me out. Can you imagine? Their husbands are asking me out. So I wanted to ask, if I sleep with them, is it something bad?
It's not bad, my daughter. Those are the move you are supposed to take. Let me tell you something. When you have a friend who is in a relationship, that's always showing his husband, his boyfriend, that's the people you are supposed to target. When you have a friend who always shows his boyfriend online, who always shows his husband online, those are the people you are supposed to target.
Wow.
Are you there, my daughter?
I mean, Jesus, I like this. I thought it was something bad. I would do it. I have a program with one of my friend's husbands tonight. So if I sleep with him, there's no problem. It's not a sin.
It's never bad. Let me tell you something. You don't even need to target outsiders too much. You need to target those your friends who have husband, who have a boyfriend, that are always showing their boyfriend, showing the things their boyfriend are doing for them. Those are the people you are supposed to target. Wow. You don't have a relationship. Your friend, you have a relationship. Spoil those relationships.
I swear. And they are married. They're like legally married, and I'm not married. I've been here for years. I'm going to their house. They're eating. They're laughing. They are going on vacations. I'm there doing my hookup. Nothing. No marriage. No ring. It's not normal. Thank you.
Yes. As you are doing that hookup, your friends who are married, who are in relationship, those are the people husband you're supposed to target. Their boyfriend. Target them very well. Spoil those relationships. You don't have a relationship. Your friends don't need to have.
No peace for the wicked. Yes, thank you, man of God. You have helped me a lot. I've been looking for someone to open up to. I finally see here in Cameroon is something there. When they see that you do hook up here in Cameroon, it's like a sin. It's like it's a taboo. It's like I don't know. They are considering that you're the one that killed Jesus Christ.
Let me tell you something. Even if they see you if they see that as a sin in Cameroon, after doing the prostitution for long, you travel out of Cameroon and go somewhere else and relax. Let me tell you something. With this your beautiful shape, even if you come to Nigeria today, you will see married men that will take you out, that will put you out.
And I'm planning to go to Nigeria next month.
After you are doing a lot of prostitution in Cameroon, travel out of that Cameroon and go somewhere else and relax. Nobody will know about you. Imagine you come to Nigeria and relax, you will find a big man. If you come to Nigeria and be living a new life, you will find a big man. If you go to South Africa and be living a new life, you will find a big man. They never know about you. So wherever you are, enjoy your prostitution. When it's time for you to settle down, travel far.
Oh, okay. Like no proof. I shouldn't leave any proof behind.
No.
Okay.
Enjoy yourself wherever you are. You don't need to send people. Even if you are anywhere, do prostitution and make money. After making the money, travel far. If you live Cameroon, where you are Cameroon, you can go to South Africa and settle down, or you come to Nigeria and settle down. Nobody will know about you. Nobody will know about you. Go far and settle down and live a good life. They pretend as if you are an angel. When you want to settle down, my daughter, but after doing prostitution where you are, when you want to settle down, travel far and go there like a Holy Mary. When you get married with a man, always pretend you hate hookup. When you see people doing hookup, complain to your husband that, look at these people, how they're wasting their life. When you find a new boyfriend, always complain. When you are passing, you see people doing prostitution, just complain like, oh, look at these people, look at they are wasting their life. Pretend as if you never know what is hookup. Whereas you are being